Setting up your Acme AKR3 Pro Dental 3D printer temporary crown setup correctly prevents failed prints, misaligned margins, and costly resin waste right from your first try. If your crowns keep failing or peeling off the build plate, improper exposure profiles in your slicing software are usually to blame. So your first step is opening Acme Print Suite and setting your resin exposure time to 3 seconds while increasing bottom layer density. If that first step does not clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in hardware mechanical calibration, which brings us to method 2, where you must zero out your build plate using a leveling card to guarantee perfectly balanced adhesion across the LCD screen. Once your mechanical baseline is locked, method 3 focuses on resin vat environment prep because cold, liquid or dirty optical glass blocks light transmission. So clean the vat film thoroughly and preheat your crown material before starting. Finally, method 4 optimizes support structure placement by tilting models at 30 degrees and applying heavy support anchors to prevent print shifts under suction forces, followed by standard UV light box post curing for durable final crown restorations.